class. Today I am going to tell you about a poem. This is very interesting poem, class. This morning is a history test. This morning is our history test. This is very interesting poem, class. You will enjoy it. So this morning is a history test. Means today morning is there will be a history test. I have pinned my notes inside my vest. Means the boy is prepared for the test with his notes. Means he not studied well, so he decided to make notes to get the help in exam. Inside my coat I wrote my notes. Means inside the coat he had noted down some important things, some important notes which will help him in exam, including dates and famous quotes. Means important dates and famous quotation. I have written more upon my hand, and also he had noted down some important answer on his hand. That's only I can understand. No one can understand it except the boy. And in my socks and sleeves I stored my scribbled notes in secret code. Means he have noted down some notes in a secret way, means in secret code, which only he can understand. No one can understand. It means short में उसने लिख के रखा था notes को in socks and sleeves. Now I have written down some so many names of winner of Olympic Games. Means there were name of winner of Olympic game, of building means important building, people means most famous people, place too. Means there were notes about Olympic winner, important buildings, famous people and famous places. Suppose historical place and picnic spot place, or related to many important things. From Tennessee to Timbuktu. From Tennessee is the name of a city, so and Timbuktu again the name of a city. From Tennessee to Timbuktu means across Tennessee to Timbuktu he had noted down name of Olympic game, name of people, building and places. I even copied down a piece on ancient Rome and ancient Greece. Means he have noted down about Rome and Greece. Greece means Egypt. Plus everything from Shakespeare's play to who invented mayonnaise. Means he have noted down about the play of Shakespeare. Shakespeare was a very famous writer, very famous dramatist of English. So he had noted down the name of plays of Shakespeare's and invented of mayonnaise. Means so many type of invention were there, so he have noted down name of inventor including mayonnaise. I came to school so well prepared, and he went to school so prepared with the help of his notes. I wasn't nervous, I wasn't scared. Means he was not nervous and he was not scared. But here it is, the history test. But today is the history test. Now very interesting story, class, very interesting line. I look inside my coat and waist to get the dates and famous quote, and find I cannot read my notes. So much of Shakespeare, Greece and Rome. I left my glasses back at home. Means he was full up with many notes to write in the classroom, but he had forget to take his glasses, and that is why he was unable to write anything. So totally waste of all preparation. So class, you have to write poem only one paragraph. Means one paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 line. You have to write only 8 line of the poem in your copy, and then word meaning. There are only 3 word meaning class. Okay, to write the poem and learn the word meaning.